This is History Animated. In the heart of the Philippines, during the 16th century, lived a remarkable queen, Reyna Juana of Cebu, a woman of grace, strength, and deep faith. Cebu thrived with rich traditions and resilient people. Reyna Juana guided her kingdom with wisdom and love. In 1521, Spanish explorers, led by Ferdinand Magellan, arrived, bringing both curiosity and uncertainty. Reyna Juana welcomed Magellan, embracing gifts that included a small statue of Santo Niño, representing hope and faith. But as drought struck Cebu, despair loomed over the community. Determined to find strength, Reyna Juana turned to the Santo Niño, believing in the power of prayer. As if answering their prayers, rain poured down, bringing life back to the land. Joy erupted among the people. The streets of Colon, the oldest in Cebu, became alive with the rhythm of the Sinulog dance. Each step echoed their gratitude and faith. In gratitude, the community celebrated, honoring the Santo Niño for the blessings bestowed upon them. Today, Cebu honors Reyna Juana, and with the Sinulog Festival, a vibrant celebration of faith and unity that resonates through the ages.